Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your settings on your iPhone and scroll down and tap Screen Time. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. If it's turned on, toggle it off temporarily. This restriction can prevent you from signing out of your Apple ID. Then here, go back to the settings and click your name. And you should now see the sign out option available again. And if it still doesn't work, go back to the screen time and select Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap Account Changes. And make sure that it's set to Allow. And after that, try signing out again, and if you're using a school or work device, the option might be disabled by the organization. In that case, contact the administrator. And finally, restart your iPhone to refresh all settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.